Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are having a good day. So today we are going to learn about how to increase your RAM size, that is random access memory, in your laptop or PC without even spending a single dime at the comfort of your home. So my hard drive is divided in three drives: the C drive, D drive and E drive. My C drive contains all the OS related files. Now right click on this PC and go in properties. Now you can see that my installed memory is 8 GB. We will try to increase this RAM. Now go in advanced system settings. In the advanced tab in performance section, click on settings. Now again in advanced, go in advanced tab. You will see a section called virtual memory. Now first let us understand what is virtual memory. In a simple words, virtual memory is a memory which acts as random access memory, that is RAM, when your full RAM which is installed in your PC or laptop is occupied. So what we are trying to do here is that increase the value of the virtual memory so that we can get more RAM out of it. With virtual memory, a system can load larger programs or multiple programs running at the same time, allowing each other to operate as if it has infinite memory and without having to purchase more RAM. So let's continue. Click on here change. Now deselect automatic managing page of now deselect this option. Click on custom size and put the initial value as 1500 and maximum size as 2000. Set. Now click on D drive, click on custom size. Same, we'll do the same, initial size is 1500 and maximum size is 2000. Then click set. So we'll do same for the E drive. Initial 1500, maximum 2000. Set. Now we'll click on OK. The changes you have made require you to restart your computer. So now our computer will get restarted. After the restart, this amount of RAM will be added to our pre-installed RAM, which will not be shown here, but it will be added to our pre-installed RAM. So now let's restart the PC. Click on apply, OK, and let's restart the PC. So now after restarting our PC, let's check our installed RAM. It will be the same. As you can see, it will show the same 8 GB RAM, but in total we have 8 GB plus the 5000 MB RAM we have added as virtual memory. So thus we have now total 13 GB of RAM installed in our PC. So that is it, my friends. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel and enjoy.